Repairing a broken bed base. I could no longer stand our bed base squeaking, so I decided to find the problem. First I flipped the bed onto its side. Now to remove the base feet. Each one is held in place with 2 long screws. The base cover is generally held in place via small staples. They can be removed with a flat-headed screwdriver and thin nose pliers. If possible, try to find the fault without removing all the staples holding the cover in place. Most squeaks and creaks in wood bed bases are caused by weak joints or a lack of packing. These noises can be eliminated via reinforcing those areas with additional pieces of wood across the joints. I could immediately see that the main central support rail was fractured, caused by a large knot being present in the midsection. I could have replaced the whole rail, but decided it was far easier and cheaper to brace the fracture using 2 additional strips of 3/4 of an inch wood. Wood screws are superior to nails for this type of fix, but first you need to drill pilot holes to avoid splitting the wood. I clamped the 2 strips in place to make things easier. This is the combination drill bit, which also has a countersunk cutter, and it also allows you to change the bit length. Now I stagger the drill holes on the upper side and then put the screws in place. And then the same for the lower plate, and the brace looks super strong. Now to restaple the bottom cover. You can use a manual upholstery staple gun if you don't happen to have a pneumatic one. All done and back to new, and no more squeaks or creaks. If the video was useful, please consider giving it a like or subscribing to my channel. Many thanks.